I just got back this weekend from a shoot in Lake Havasu where I won first overall and first in ski. I shot 50 out of 50.
Although the Junior Olympics didn't pan out exactly how Chase Stewart had hoped, he's still working hard in improving his international style skeet shooting. He currently ranks 8th in the nation in the junior division. That's a huge accomplishment for a teen still in high school with a job.
Yeah, I mean, it's quite a schedule, but make it work. It gets tiring. I go to school at 7:30, get home about 11:40 every day. Go straight to work. I work at Sprague's. It's a great place to be. I love it. And then I go straight from Sprague's to right here in the range and get to practice.
Chase is graduating with the Gila Ridge class of 2014 and says shooting won't stop there.
I will. I'm going to keep shooting. I'm basing everything that I'm doing after high school on shooting. So there's a couple of different routes I may take, but it's all going to include shooting.
Chase shoots anywhere from 500 to 1,000 of these clay birds on a daily basis. So when you add the cost of the guns, shotgun shells, and clay birds, you can imagine how costly it gets.
We added it up to be about $25,000 annually, and this community has really stepped up. I mean, like without the community, I would not be able to do this sport. Yuma has been great to me. I can't even start to tell you how many people there are that are helping me out.
Chase and his supporters will continue to hold fundraisers and ways for Chase to get the financial backing he needs to make his Olympic dream. For your local news, I'm Vanessa Herrera.